I started coming to Bay Clinic of Chiropractic to Dr. Salome's office. It started in February of this year, 2012. I've always been suffering since when I was a child. Was born premature, had a lot of conditions. Been suffering for more than 30 years. Had lots of headaches and seizures and problems with walking, scoliosis, back problems, disc problems, lots of trouble. Since I've been coming for the adjustments and the nutrition, it's helping me a lot. I still have some ways to go, but I'm on the right track, and I'm proud of myself that I'm doing well. Any other doctors I've been to all these years, have had surgeries on my ears for hearing loss, and other doctors wanted me to have surgeries on my back. I have not done well with any surgeries or other prescription medications I've taken over the years, and I was very tired of it. So I wanted to just try natural nutrition and natural adjustments that a chiropractor could do. I went to other chiropractors and had physical therapy over the years, but that didn't help me for a long period of time. I see some positive changes coming to this office, and it's helping me a lot, but I still have a process to do. It's still going to take some time, but I'm on the right track, and I'm proud of myself. And Dr. Salome is very nice. His wife Renee is very nice. They've both helped me, and I would recommend them to anyone. Actually, I found Dr. Salome through a nurse that works with my mom in the hospital at Gulf Coast Medical Center, and she was bringing her daughter. Her daughter was having a lot of the similar issues I was having with back problems and walking problems, and of course mine were a little bit more extensive because I also had hearing loss, nerve loss, and vertigo, dizziness, and other issues. But she saw some improvements with her daughter, so she recommended Dr. Salome to my mother, and that's how I found out about it. I have seen improvements in some of my walking. I've seen improvements in my migraine headaches. They are still somewhat severe, but they have gotten much better than from the way I was suffering for many years. I've seen improvements with the direction of my hearing. Before, when I was hearing sounds coming in different directions, I wasn't sure exactly which area they were coming from. Now I'm able to differentiate a little bit more. I can tell if it's coming from the back, from the sides, somewhat in whatever direction it's coming. I'm able to tell. It's much better. And my hearing is improving. That's still going to take some time, but it's on the right track, and I'm very hopeful. I still have a long process to go, but I'm nearing the end of the program, so I'm very happy with the results I have seen so far. All of them have been natural supplements that he gives along with the diet and nutrition, with the food and the adjustments that he does on the back, and with even the walking and moving the legs. I saw results almost immediately. I didn't have any pain too much after getting up from the table. I was able to move more. I was a little bit more flexible. So and altogether, starting this diet, I have lost like 20 pounds. So I'm very happy with that. And other doctors, mostly they A lot of them are nice and helpful as well, but you go to their office and they just want you to write down all of your symptoms, and they want to see if there's any changes, and other than prescription medication and sometimes even recommending a diet plan, they really don't get too involved with the whole care. And if you don't want to take prescription medications because it's had an adverse effect on you in the past, they just don't know exactly what to do for you. They just want you to tell them exactly how your condition has progressed. Well, I like the fact that they're using more natural and organic supplements, and they don't use prescription medications, and it's a good thing for me, because prescription medications have had a lot of bad symptoms. I have not been able to function while taking them over the years, but I have not taken any prescriptions in a very long time, and I am very happy with the supplements. This is a lifetime process. After the program is over, he wants you to come at least once or twice a month for maintenance, and he has had other patients that have very positive effects, and they're very happy whenever they come to him, whenever they need an adjustment, or they need an adjustment with the nutrition, the diet, and he's been very helpful.